Welcome, my dear students. Welcome. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. A very welcome to my students in my special course, the Feeling course. So, before starting the video, take a long breath and release it. Do it 3 times. Okay, so this course tells you about yourself. Stay at the end. So, my dear students, first of all, think about it. How to deal with yourself. I am talking about me and you are talking about you. So, in my opinion, I am going to tell you that sometimes we never know what we are going to do. So then you think about yourself, then you think with your confusing brain also. You should think that, okay, this time I do some mistake, but next time, what next time? I don't give me a chance to do this next time. I am perfect now. This is the biggest answer. Give your opinions also in the comment. So, we have to move on to our first point. Happiness. What is happiness? A lantern drifting into the night sky. An empty bench under a quiet tree. We spend our lives chasing it like it's a place on a map, but what if it's not a destination? What if happiness is in the wandering itself? In the pause, in the breath before the answer. Happiness is not found. It's noticed right here, right now. Okay, move on to the second point. Wandering magic. Magic is not just in fairy tales. It's in the real world, hiding in a plain sight. A single beam of light cutting through a dark forest, a ruin glowing on ancient stone. We call it coincidence. We call it luck. But sometimes, like wings at you. Magic is the moment you realize the world is still speaking to you. Are you listening? Okay, so time to move on to our third point. Support. A glass sphere looks fragile. One crack and it shatters. But it rests on roots, deep tangled, invisible roots that supports. You don't always see it, but it's holding you. No tree stands, no person grows alone. The strongest things are held by what's underneath. Ask yourself, what are your roots? Who or what keeps you glass from breaking? Our fourth point. Feel grid. Look at this grid. 3 by 3, 9 emotions. Anger, joy, fear, calm, grief, excitement, love, doubt, hope. We were taught to pick one, to be positive, to hide the rest. But you are not one box. You are the whole grid. Every feeling has a seat at your table. Which one is you ignoring? Which one is screaming the loudest? Today, feelings are not good or bad. They are just true. So we are going to move on to our fifth point. Power of feeling. A single drop can't move a stone, but a tidal wave, it reshapes coastlines. That's the power of feeling. They start small, a thought, a memory, a glance. Then they build, and suddenly you are underwater. But after the storm, the same water feeds the flower. Your feelings are not weakness, king. They are weather. And you are the entire ocean. Our sixth point. Mindness. One dewdrop on one leaf in one movement. It's not thinking about yesterday's storm. It's not worried about the sun that will evaporate it. It just is. Mindness is not emptying. Your mind, it's feeling it with now. Feel your breath. Hear the room. Notice the weight of your body. This second is the only one you truly have. Don't miss it. The seventh point. Interacting. Two gears touch and the machine comes alive. Two stones collide and ripples spread across water. Nothing exists alone. Every word you speak, every silence you keep, it creates a ripple. You affect people. They affect you, even when you don't mean to. So, interact with intention, because every connection is a small explosion of cause and effect. What kind of ripples are you sending out today? Number 8. Expectations. A golden frame hanging on a wall. Light hints it perfectly. It's beautiful, important, and expensive. But look inside, it's empty. That's what expectations do. They build a gorgeous frame around something that doesn't exist yet. And when reality doesn't feel the frame, we feel broken, but maybe the frame was the problem. What if you took the frame down? What if you let life surprise you instead of disappointing you? Our ninth point. Who are you? The biggest question in your life. You stand in front of a mirror, but instead of your face, you see the sky, stars, a question mark. Because who are you? Is not a question with a photo for an answer. You are not your job, not your past, not your reflection. You are the question itself. The endless sky behind the glass. The day you stop looking for a final answer is the day you start living. Thanks for watching.